Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the next question for the topic array, and the question is count how many times a given number appear in an array. So the first example is this, an array has been giving of 1 2 3 2 2, and the key is 2. Means you have to find in this question that how many times this 2 had appeared in this array. In this 1 2 3, 3 times. So 3 times 2 have appeared in this array. Okay, so the output is 3. And similarly, you can see in the next question also the key is 4, and you have to tell how many times this 4 have occurred in this array. So 4 times. So the output is 4. And similarly, okay. So now I will tell you how to write the code of this number. You have to only count it. Okay. So now this is the question number of occurrence. You have in a given sorted array and a number target, you need to find the number of occurrence of target in array. Like in this 2, there are in this the target is 2, and in this array you have to find the number of times the 2 have occurred. Okay, so now firstly we will traverse over the entire for loop, entire equal to 0 and I is less than arr dot length semicolon I plus plus. Okay, now you will check whether that if array of I is equals to target, then you have to increase the counter. Initially you will take the count where we will count variable where you count the number of times it occurred, and after this you will increment it here. Okay, then you will return this count as you have to return the frequency of the targeted variable. So now we will compile this code. So something is getting wrong. I have not written the semicolon here. So you have to also be aware of these small mistakes like of semicolon and all these things. Okay, so now we will run this again. So now the initial test case of being this code is passed. So this code is compiled successfully, and now we will submit this question. So this code have been run successfully and passed all the test cases. So in this we have only done few things like traverse through the entire loop and check wherever key get this target as same in the array. We just incremented the count. So and this return the count value. So this question is very simple and normal for the traversal in the array. So practice it, and thank you for the time being.